Hello everyone and welcome. This is gonna be my end of the day of the London session for March 26, 2020. As for every day, I start from the daily level and I'm gonna mark the two key levels, one for upside and one for the downside. Now I already have in place the weekly key level that I marked yesterday. Since the price didn't reach that level yet, this key level is still valid. So now, no matter what my bias is, I mark the daily and the weekly key level because these are two major levels where I can expect some sort of reaction that we can take advantage from. After this, I'm gonna move on the 4-hour time frame. Being an intraday trader means that basically I'm going to move in between 4-hour most likely leg, and I'm gonna mark on the chart my most recent 4-hour leg. At this time I can check and I can see that I have this strong guy who took liquidity and broke the structure. So basically I'm inside this leg from point A to point B. Now that I know in which leg I am and that I can expect a major retracement, what I do is go into the 15 minutes because I want to gather information from the Asian session. Let's keep moving with the price action and let's go till London Open. Alright, that's just before the London Open. What I can see is that Asia create a strong low that during the London session should be respected. So my next things to do in my trading plan and in my list is going to find out the key level in between this leg in case the price came down and that I can take advantage from a bullish entry from the key level to the top. So I'm gonna move on 4 hours and I'm gonna see the higher time frame available can show me a key level, and as I can see I have this unmitigated wick, right? I'm gonna take all the unmitigated wick and I'm gonna make some kind of refinement, scaling down to the time frame. So what I can see is that I have inside my point of interest, this candle goes outside of the point of interest. So I'm gonna take outside the hidden base, which for me is gonna be liquidity that eventually the market wanna take. And this is everything the 1 hour time frame can show me. So after this, I'm gonna move on 30 minutes, and again I have this week of this hidden base. There's still gonna be liquidity available for the market, and then I'm gonna move on 15 minutes, which at this time is perfectly aligned with the only available liquidity in this bullish expansion. If I want to do a better refinement, a 15-minute chart, I can see that this hidden base is perfectly inside my point of interest, so I could easily target only the hidden base. So now when I am refining the POI in this way, I need to accept the fact that probably I'm gonna be stopped out just before the real movement starts, affront of a very huge risk to reward. So it's a compromise. In my case, I have a rules of 2.5 pips stop loss. So let's check what this hidden base has to offer to us. So as we can see, the hidden base is 1.3 pips. So this is it's a very short amount of pips. So I'm gonna add up to 2.5. So I'm gonna add some extra the bottom and to the top till 2.5 pips stop loss, right? And I'm gonna put my entry, just attach it to the liquidity to be sure that the price eventually is gonna tap me. And I'm gonna target the high of the range, which is gonna be this one right there. So as you can see, the price came, tapped me in, and went to the target. This is gonna be all for my end of the day London session. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you later.